Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to create this makeup look right here. Yes, it's sort of a no makeup, or you can say it's sort of nude makeup, which I have not done on my channel yet. So that's why I thought let's just do it right now. This is like a very matte look. If you can see, there is no highlighter as such, but my blush is giving me enough highlight for this look to look very natural, if you know what I mean. So let's begin. So I'm going to start with Pond's sunscreen, as I have already applied a moisturizer before starting. I spread it evenly. To start, I like to first conceal my pigmentation that's bothering me, and I use LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige.
Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the world in our sight.
I'm going to blend my concealer with my fingers because those give me the best coverage and a very smooth and seamless application. You see the difference? That's what I'm talking about. Notice that I am tapping the product in, and that's how I get a good coverage.
And I know together we'll be alright. Can you see forever we will go?
After the concealer is blended in place, I go in with my foundation. Today I'm using Maybelline FitMe foundation in the shade Warm Nude, or it's 128 Warm Nude. To blend the foundation, I'm using my damp beauty sponge from Miniso, and I love the sponge. I just love the finish that I have got with this routine because everything looks so skin-like and blended. Also, I used very less amount of foundation, and by dotting it across my face, I got an even application. Also, my beauty sponge works so great to blend. I just love it. I am setting my base with Maybelline Fit Me Compact in 120 Classic Ivory. For eyes, I'm using the Nudes palette from Maybelline New York. This is such a great palette for beginners and also for everyday use. Love all the shades in the palette. So neutral and pretty. I just love it. So I'm going to start off using this shade right here. It's very close to the natural shade of my lids, and it's going to make blending shadows so easy for me. Next, I'm going in with this shade. This is sort of a taupe brown sort of color, which I will concentrate on the outer crease of my eyes to bring in the depth.
We are forever learning, one step at a time.
Now I'm taking this angled fluffy brush like this. And I'm mixing these two shades for my lids. You see the sheen? That's what will open my eyes.
As long as the world is turning, I'll be by your side.
Now I'm deepening the outer part shadow again to keep up the shadows popping. I like to retouch the shadows like it's like coloring in the color book, you know. I'm going in with that shade to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. The reason this is a no makeup because all these shadows feel so natural. It feels like I'm not wearing any makeup.
We'll keep the fire burning. I'll never see you hurt. You know I can't explain it in a way of words. We both know that you'll understand and you'll
Now I'm adding that shadow on my lower lash line. A lot of people do not line their lower lash line, and I do that too sometimes, but these shadows look so natural that I feel this will enhance the look further.
see if you take my hand, and I'll go out of my own way for you. I'll go.
I'm using Lash Sensational from Maybelline. This sure lengthens my lashes, but I now need a curling mascara along with this. If you guys have any suggestions, please drop them in the comment section below. I'm using all Maybelline products in this makeup routine.
Out of my own way.
For blush, I'm using this peachy one from Faces Canada. This blush is from the Ultime Pro range and it's the most natural for my skin. This blush also has sort of a shine, so I thought of skipping the highlight for this look. This camera is not capturing the blush pigment, but this is the prettiest blush in my makeup collection so far. I love this blush, and you can see the pigment now. I love it. Now comes the star of this evening. I'm unboxing here the bronzer that I ordered from Sugar, and this is how the packaging looks. It looks so good, you guys. Look at that prettiness. I was so excited to try this and it hasn't disappointed me at all. I love, love, love this bronzer. It is such a natural one for Indian skin or brown skin. I just love it. I am enjoying this bronzer. Look at that snatched cheekbones. Love it.
We are forever learning, one step at a time. As long as the world is turning, I'll
For lips, I'm using this lipstick from NY. This one is my cousin's and I loved this shade on me. It's in the shade 15. This shade is like my lips but better, you know.
We both know that you'll understand, and you'll see if you take my hand.
This is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next. Bye.